Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back on two wheels. So I'm just wondering, what is your motorcycle or scooter? I freaking love being on two wheels. This is, I don't know how to explain it, but it's literally like the best feeling. It's tough when people drive cars their whole life. They think you sound like a fool when you talk about the freedom and just the relaxing time you get when you're on two wheels. But honestly, it's true. When you're on two wheels, you're focused, especially on the other drivers. You have to be better driver than everybody else. You have to be looking out, not just for you, but you got to be looking out for them. But you're so focused, but at the same time you're having so much fun. It literally just puts a smile on your face. Regardless of where you're going, it makes any trip so much better. Even a trip to the grocery store is like the best time ever. Well, this scooter though, this is my first scooter. I've had motorcycles in the past, but having a scooter, it's so fun, man. It's literally just like you crank on it and you go. Crank on it and you go. But yeah, see, and you can cut the line just like I did. In the Massachusetts, you can't lane split, but I mean, you can definitely get to the front real easy. But yeah, do you guys got any bikes? Do you have a bike? Let me know if you want to get a bike or you want to get a scooter, especially. This Piaggio Liberty 150S is amazing. My motorcycle that I had was a Kawasaki Ninja 650. That was a great bike too. I toured all around the country, all the way to like the west coast, all the way up into Canada, Calgary, and up on the northeast in Nova Scotia. I rode down from Boston to Cancun, cross country. But yeah, let me know if you got two wheels, because honestly, it's like the best natural high I think you can get. If you know, you know. Alright? Alright guys, peace.